Don't forget to subscribe my channel and please hit the bell icon next to it so that you will always get notified when I upload any video and never miss it. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Mystic Magic. So today I am going to review VLCC Skin Defense Lavang Moisturiser. So before I start my video, if you haven't subscribed my channel till now, then please subscribe it, and if you like this video, then make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and share with your all friends. So without further ado, let's get started. So this moisturizer comes in this white and orange cardboard box, which has written Lavang Moisturizer normal to oily skin for non-greasy radiant skin defense. At the back, all the ingredient list and method of use are mentioned. It contains 100 ml of product at Rs 160 and shelf life is 2 years. Inside it contains white plastic bottle with flip open cap, and it also contains a leaflet where all the goodness of lavang and other ingredients are mentioned briefly. So when we talk about this moisturizer, it is a herbal product with goodness of neem, cloves and pineapple. The consistency is neither too thick nor too runny. It's like a body lotion. It gets absorbed completely in the skin and give a cooling sensation for a few minutes. But it's a little bit greasy, so after few hours it make your face little oily and greasy. It smells like a Colgate or a Vicks, which I don't like. It somehow reduces my acne, but not that much. It is suitable for people with dry to normal skin, as it hydrates well and makes skin soft and nourished. I would not recommend it for sensitive skin due to presence of clove oil, which might affect your skin. It's also not for oily skin people because it gives you sticky feeling. So overall, I am neither impressed nor satisfied. I will not buy this again because I have oily skin and it's not for me. It is average herbal product, but if you have normal to dry skin and if you bear the smell, then give it a try. So hope you love to watch this video, and if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you have any question, do let me know in the comment box. So thank you for watching. See you soon in my next video. Till then, bye and take care.